Well, hello everyone, welcome back with another lab number 8, and in this lab we will try to determine the backend database version and its type, right? So in the previous lab we already covered same lab, but that lab was for Oracle. But in this lab we will see if the database is MySQL or Microsoft. So that's been said, go to the lab. This is the lab. So SQL injection attack querying the database type and version on MySQL and Microsoft. Okay, so the agenda of this lab is, this lab contains an SQL injection vulnerability in the product category filter. You can use a union attack to retrieve the results from an injected query. So to solve the lab, display the database version string. I already put that from the cheat sheet. So here you can see different database have different kind of query and use different kind of parameters to get the versions, right? So let's go, and I'm going to choose pets category. Come here. So because we already know that this functionality is vulnerable to SQL injection attack. Come on, fine. Okay. As you can see, this dash is not working. Even if I put double dash, not working. And even if I put like this, and that is working fine. Also we need to test let's say hash, and hash is saying internal server error. So here this is working. So now what we need to know is how many number of columns returned by the database. So as well as the result is concerned on this page, it seems like 2 columns are there, but we need to be sure. So let's say union select and null, hit enter, and it will give us the error because there are more than 1 columns. So let's put another null, hit enter, and as you can see we get the result. That means there are 2 number of columns. Now we need to know the data type. So for data type, AAA, hit enter. So as you can see, the first column contains data type like string, and second column is also string data type. Because we can see here, this is the product name, which is a string, and this is the details or description of that product, which is also a string. So that's perfect. Now we need to find out the database version. So as well as the lab is concerned, it's already saying that the database is maybe SQL or Microsoft, but you need to find out which one. So both actually use at version. So now let's try here at version and hit enter. We solve the lab, but this is 8.0.29 fine. And if I try, let's say here AAA, instead of here, if we put at the rate version. So now after this you will see the same version result in the place of B, because we put that at the rate version in place of second column. So that's it. We solved the lab and hope you understand. See you in the next video. Bye.